Hey there, fellow travelers. If you're dreaming of an unforgettable adventure in 2024, then get ready, because today we're talking about one of the most exciting and affordable destinations on the planet, Thailand. From stunning beaches to mouth-watering cuisine, Thailand has it all. So grab your virtual passport and let's dive into why this Southeast Asian gem should be at the top of your travel list. First up, why visit Thailand in 2024? Well, it's simple. Thailand is a land of contrasts where ancient traditions meet modern convenience. Whether you're a beach lover, a foodie, or a history buff, Thailand offers a little something for everyone. And let's not forget, Thailand is known for its warm hospitality. There's a reason it's called the Land of Smiles. Plus, 2024 is expected to see some amazing festivals and events, making it the perfect time to experience Thai culture at its finest. Now, let's talk highlights. Picture yourself lounging on the pristine beaches of Phuket or exploring the vibrant streets of Bangkok. Imagine taking a long-tail boat ride through the iconic floating markets or visiting the stunning temples like Wat Arun and Wat Pho. Don't miss out on Chiang Mai's lush mountains and the Elephant Nature Park, where you can get up close with these gentle giants. And if you're an island hopper, the Phi Phi Islands and Koh Samui are calling your name. And what's a trip to Thailand without indulging in some of the best food on the planet? Get ready to have your taste buds blown away by dishes like pad thai, green curry, and the spicy tom yum soup. Street food in Thailand is legendary, so don't shy away from trying local favorites like mango sticky rice, som tum, papaya salad, and the famous Thai iced tea. Trust me, your Instagram feed is going to be on fire with all these drool-worthy dishes. Whether you're after bustling city life or serene countryside, Thailand's got you covered. Bangkok, the capital, is a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and experiences, from the Grand Palace to the buzzing nightlife of Khao San Road. Head north to Chiang Mai for a more laid-back vibe, with its ancient temples and nearby trekking opportunities. Down south, Phuket and Krabi offer stunning beaches and world-class resorts, perfect for some much-needed R&R. And don't forget Ayutthaya, the ancient city, just a short trip from Bangkok, where you can explore historical ruins that tell the story of Thailand's rich past. Now, let's talk affordability. Traveling to Thailand won't break the bank. In fact, it's one of the most budget-friendly destinations out there. From affordable luxury hotels to delicious street food that costs just a couple of dollars, you'll find that your money goes a long way here. Plus, with a favorable exchange rate, you can enjoy a luxury vacation for a fraction of the cost compared to the US. So, whether you're a budget traveler or looking for a bit of luxury, Thailand offers great value for every type of traveler. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime in Thailand. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next amazing destination. Happy travels and see you in Thailand!